In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage clipboard history on Windows 11. If you've noticed that Windows 11 appears to be recording everything you copy, you might be dealing with a feature known as clipboard history. This tool is designed to enhance your productivity by storing recently copied text, images, and other clipboard items. Essentially, it allows you to paste previous items whenever you need them, which can be incredibly helpful when you're working on multiple documents or need to move data around frequently. However, it's entirely understandable if you want to have control over what you copy and decide not to save that data. So today, we're going to walk through how to check if clipboard history is enabled and how to disable it if it's not something you wish to use. The first step is to open your settings. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard along with the letter I. This is a shortcut that takes you directly to the Windows settings menu, saving you time from searching through different menus. Once you're in the settings panel, look for the option labeled System. You'll find it as one of the main categories, typically at the top of the list because it's frequently accessed for system-related settings. After selecting System, on the left sidebar, you'll see various subcategories. You're going to want to locate and click on Clipboard. This is the area where you can control everything related to what you copy and paste on your device. Within the clipboard settings, pay attention to the section labeled Clipboard History. If the switch is already toggled to On, that means your Clipboard History feature is currently active and is storing whatever you copy. To turn this feature off, simply click the switch to the Off position. This action will stop Windows from saving your copied items moving forward. It's as straightforward as that. This means that while you can still copy and paste like usual, only the most recent item will be available on your clipboard, and you won't have the capability to retrieve older items for pasting. Taking this step not only helps manage your clipboard better, but also gives you peace of mind if you're concerned about the privacy of your copied data. Turning off clipboard history will ensure that your copied content is not retained longer than necessary. And there you have it, easy steps to disable clipboard history in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in giving you more control over your Windows experience. If you found this video useful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.